The war in the Middle East is creating scarcities all over the world, and India isn't insulated. These paucities have achieved one more thing. They've populated the national narrative with terms like LPG, PNG, CNG, and LNG. Average citizen knows LPG is what we get in a cylinder. CNG is what we fill in the automobiles, and PNG is what we get in our kitchens. But what is the difference between all these gas forms that are used for different purposes? And where does India get them from? Let's take a deep dive in today's quick take with me, Hina Gambhir. First up, what are these Fab 4 fuels extremely critical for our daily lives? Now, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas, LNG is liquefied natural gas, CNG is compressed natural gas, PNG is piped natural gas. These are different forms of fuel with different uses. LPG is a blend of propane and butane. It's a cooking gas stored under pressure in liquid form in cylinders. PNG is essentially methane. It's delivered through piped connections in kitchens to cook food. Now, both are more energy efficient and fumeless as compared to coal and wood. CNG is compressed methane. It's fuel for vehicles, especially autos, cars, and buses, less polluting than petrol and diesel. Talking about LNG, it's super chilled methane, great for long distance shipping. It's a smart fuel. It can be converted into both PNG and CNG through regasification. Now, why has Middle East crisis impacted the Fab 4? The fuel our kitchens, vehicles, and industries use. First, LPG. India imports 60% of its LPG requirement from Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait. 40% is produced domestically. Over 33 crore families in India use LPG. Over 50 lakh cylinders are delivered every day. Facing a shortage, India is diversifying its basket to procure LPG from other countries like US, Norway, Canada, Algeria, and Russia. Next, LNG. Around 50% of LNG requirements are met via domestic resources. Rest is imported through ships. 50% of our LNG is imported from Qatar, and this LNG can be broken down to create both CNG and PNG. LNG supply needs high capital investment but lower delivery cost. Now, government has been pushing for a shift from LPG to PNG. The question is why? It's simple math. We import less of LNG than LPG. We are more self-reliant on LNG, and perhaps that's why the government is now asking everyone to get PNG connections to reduce dependence on LPG.